In this video, we revisit Millstream National Park in Western Australia to go paddleboarding in Deep Reachm swimming hole in the Fortesque River. Last time we visited was the middle of summer, so I'll quickly share some footage from that trip first for those of you who haven't seen it for more information on the park. We're in the Millstream National Park at the Millstream campground. And it's just not far off sunset, so it's starting to cool a little bit. It's been quite a warm day. There's lots of kangaroos hopping about and lots of flies at the moment, so hopefully they'll disappear once the sun goes down. A lovely campground, a little bit of warm at the moment, just probably not the best time of year to come, but yeah, certainly if you do, it's worth looking to see which of the campsites have the shadiest condition. These campsites seem to have a little bit more afternoon shade. These ones over here probably have a little bit more early morning shade. The campground is on the site of the historic Millstream homestead, which was built in 1919 on the existing sheep station. It now houses a tourist information centre and a display about the property's history.
The radio rocker, when families would gather around the radio to listen to their favourite shows. The kids had to sit on the floor.
This is Deep Reachm pool. The car park from the water's edge is about 200 metres and there's a concrete footpath pretty much all the way. You're able to swim here and also paddleboarding or kayaking or canoeing. So the access point are these stairs here into the water. There is a little bit of strange looking oiliness on the surface of the water right at the bottom of the stairs, which is probably due to the microorganisms that help convert iron oxide. So it looks a bit weird, but it's fine. The second water entry point is a little bit further along, more of a gravelly path, and at the moment it's a little cleaner as far as that oily surface. Some of the roads around the park are more suitable for four-wheel drives and are more comfortable to drive on if you lower your tyre pressure. Python Pool is one of the most visited places in the national park and probably a little bit small for paddleboarding on, especially in the busy tourist season. But it's worth coming to have a look and have a swim if you can deal with the flies. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of things you need to remember to pack for a paddleboarding adventure, worry no more. I've got you covered with all the filming gear, chargers, phones, GoPro attachments, etc. that we take on our trips. I decided to make a paddleboarders adventure equipment checklist, which you can download for free in the SUP Digital Library Cafe. Link is in the description below. If you have any suggestions about items to add to this list, let me know and I will add them as this is work in progress. Leave your suggestions in the comments below. Now back to the video. What a difference 8 months makes. The weather was so much more pleasant and the campground was still pretty quiet. There aren't a lot of facilities here. The toilets are long drops and there are no showers, but there's a camp kitchen with basic facilities that you can use. This all makes for a great spot to watch the night sky, as there is next to no light pollution. We keep promising ourselves we'll learn how to do some nighttime photography and time-lapse footage, as this is one of the best places for clear skies. A concrete pathway makes wheeling your paddleboard to the river extra easy, but if you want to go in at a spot further along the river, the earth is quite firm to wheel along to. The Deep Reachm swimming hole is a permanent body of water along the mostly dry riverbed of the Fortesque River. It's perfect for paddling and is approximately 2.5 kilometres in length. It makes for a nice chill paddle session, or a decent size for those who want a bit more space. Either way, there's lots of opportunity to explore along the banks and watch some of the bird and wildlife. Be the first to hear when our latest video is released by subscribing, clicking the notification bell and giving us a thumbs up. While you're at it, spread the love and share this video with your paddleboarding mates. I'll see you next time.